Got an old drill press working. So what you do is you lift this up, you turn it back like this, and this is how you make the drill go up. And then when you turn this, it moves this, and that makes this go up, and it moves it forward like that. So I'll show ya. So every time it hits that bump, so antique drill press, it was pretty seized up, but I got it. Oh, our bar's coming out here. So this is after the thing was restored. After that video, I did not tighten the bar. It came off and hit my ankle so hard. Yeah. Didn't have that all the way in. Here, I'll just, yeah, that uses an old square bit, so, yeah. So I'm gonna check this drill press out a little bit better. And check it out the best. See if we can't get any dates or anything on it. So yeah, it's just sitting like by the hydraulic press here, so yeah. Drill press just drilled 2 holes through this here and here. It's working pretty good. The only thing I don't like is that this drill bit is kind of a 1-for-1, if you know what I mean. It's kind of hard to find. I found out that this drill bit used to be green. You can see a bit of green there, but yeah. Ain't the smoothest thing, but it still works pretty good. We are done. I love it. So I just kind of restored this drill press. I'm going to kind of show you how it works. So whenever I move this handle, this lever goes over this bump here. See that? This, when it does that, it pushes this forward, which then hits these teeth on this gear and make it go. This makes the bit inch down slowly. This is how you wouldn't need to like have a lever to do it. And this flywheel is just to like keep it going like this. When I first started, it did not do that. It went like whomp, boom, and then it stopped. So yeah, that's how the drill press works. And this is how you put the bit up. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, are we doing something here? Oh, it was just high enough. But yeah, this is how you put the bit up. So easy. Yep, and also, this drill press is also left-handed. I'll show you. Make sure that it stays in place. So we have one of these on this side of the flywheel here. You can put it in there and tighten this bit. Show you some stuff. Okay, So yes, it is also left-handed, but here, so it doesn't hit the back of this press here. But with that, you can turn it left-handed. You can go backwards too, but I don't think your drill bit's gonna like that. So, I'm so funny. So this is probably built in the 1920s. That's probably just kind of what I'm thinking here. I don't know what brand it is, but yeah. Yep.